Assalamualaikum everyone, with new video. Right now, as you can see, I am in one of the restaurants. So I am at the opening of AB's restaurant at Justin Hotel behind Blue Laguna, which is Old Ramada. So it's an Indian restaurant. So I'm here on the invitation of the owner of the restaurant.
Bismillah.
Okay, over here chicken corn soup,
lemon curry.
lemon corn. Okay, then
Veg manchao.
Wow. Okay.
This is again special dal and basmati rice.
Okay, basmati rice and special dal, kali dal.
Dal
Call
tadka
it
and nawab da soya.
nawab soya masala and tadka dal. Okay.
Punjabi curry pakoda.
Okay.
Chili garlic noodles.
All right.
This is bhindi masala and paneer handi lazeez.
Paneer handi lazeez. Okay.
Mutton dalcha ghost.
Mutton dalcha gosht. Okay.
Butter chicken boneless.
Butter chicken boneless. Okay.
Kashmiri chicken kofta curry and Punjabi egg masala.
Punjabi egg masala. Okay. Kashmiri curry.
Grilled fish with cilantro sauce and chicken wings with hot garlic sauce.
Okay.
And chicken biryani, chicken dum biryani.
Chicken dum biryani. All right.
This one is veg dum biryani.
And veg dum biryani. So this is a buffet over here. As you can see, iftar is done. People are having iftar now. And the main thing is the barbecue, which is in the middle of the table. They have a, you can see, foils to keep the barbecue hot and fresh.
Green pepper barbecue fish.
This fish.
Yes.
मैं निकालूं आपके लिए?
Barbecue prawns.
Thank you. ये नहीं.
Green pineapple.
Pineapple with honey and sauce. So this is a ice cream station. Yeah, no, that's all. So you can do the topping. So there is a drinks also. Chart counter is there on the corner. Okay, Anshu is with me from Radio 1, Mirchi 1, famous personality of Doha. Everybody know her. So, बताइए होटल के रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में. How's it?
Well, so today we're at the official launch of Absolute BBQ, which is here at Dusat 2. And believe me, this place is really exciting, not just about the ambience, but at the same time food. And the best part about this restaurant is me being a vegetarian, you will get plenty of vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian delicacies. Be it dessert, be it the main course, be it starters, there's so much so certainly you must visit along with your family.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shajir.
Okay, sir. Tell me about the restaurant. About the buffet. It will be every day.
Yeah, it's an all-you-can-eat dining restaurant.
Okay.
And we serve unlimited open buffet every day for lunch and dinner.
Even this will be after Ramzan also.
Yeah, It's always a all-you-can-eat concept. So
Oh, all right. Okay.
we are not open for breakfast. We serve lunch, dinner buffet throughout the week,
Throughout the week, every day.
And now we are serving special iftar. Buffet.
Yeah, and Eid is coming. It's open on the Eid.
Yeah, every day.
Every day, yeah.
Eid, Ramadan, and all the special occasions, we'll have special menu.
And we can reserve for
buffet.
small parties also, no?
Yes.
Gathering.
It's an open layout.
Yeah.
So we don't have any private rooms
Yeah,
or
yeah.
anything.
All
But
right.
the idea is actually, we are a place where people come to celebrate occasions and in a casual ambience.
Sure.
So that's why we kept the whole layout open, and we got what makes us different from other buffet restaurants or other restaurants is actually we have, if you have seen,
The live
a
barbecue.
grill a live charcoal grill on every table. So you can finish the meat or the kebabs the way you want, and the best thing about having the grill on your table is actually you can eat that hot, and then when you eat any kebabs hot, it tastes the best.
Yes.
And then we have a nice array of salads, soups, and then the main course item and desserts. It's predominantly Indian, but then being a barbecue place, we say world of barbecue on your table.
Yes.
So anything that can go on a grill except beef,
All right.
you will find on our table.
Thank
Then
you.
We have another section where we do a live cooking.
Yeah.
Where you can choose exotic meat and vegetables and get it grilled, and they will be serving on the table. We have live stations with live ice creams. We have a station where you make ice cream right from the milk, and an array of Indian and continental desserts.
All
So
right.
our pricing is 89 dirhams dinner on weekends,
Okay.
and 84 dirhams is the lunch price. And then during weekdays, which is Sunday to Thursday, lunch is only 64 dirhams.
Okay.
So if you are working for a company where you want to have a corporate outing on a budget, you would consider AB's to be a right place. For 64 dirhams, you can have a nice open buffet in a fine ambience, set in a 5-star hotel in the middle of Doha. We've got ample parking.
Nice. Yeah.
I'm expecting the community in Doha to give us all support.
Inshallah. And by the way, AB is my restaurant. AB means Abdul Basit.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.